Studying these two concepts will save you years of efforts. Every object around us is three-dimensional. We try to build that three-dimensional illusion on 2D surface. Nature has forms made of very complex geometry, but we compress it into simple geometrical forms to make it manageable to draw. These forms are like cylinder, box, and sphere. Combining these forms, we can create any complex form. For example, sphere and a box can form a simple head. A cylinder can form a simple neck. Boxes can further form the torso. By drawing these simple forms together, here's our human figure as a 3D form. But it feels so stiff, we would have to add motion to it. So we will use gesture for that work. Gesture is also called flow, rhythm, motion. Gesture is flow of one or multiple forms. Adding gesture to the structure gives a fluid nature to the simple structure and make it feel organic and more lifelike. Let's understand by studying from a reference. The most important point is simplification. Gesture in figure drawing is long axis curve. We try to capture the longest axis of the forms, the longest motion of the forms. For example, in this image, the head is a form, the rib is a form, the pelvic is a form. And if we analyze the flow of these forms, we see a simple gesture of the body. This is called gesture. So first we begin with the overall gesture or motion of the pose. We can start adding structure. Adding only simple forms will make the pose more stable. Add a bit curve to the form so it creates fluidity in the pose. Keep things simple and fluid. This will make the figure interesting and dynamic. Here's an example in the last. If you want to learn and observe more, you can also comment me. If you want more example videos, send me your references. If you feel difficulty to draw them, I'll help you by making more videos on that references. Till then, keep drawing, keep learning, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Draw, learn, and grow.